So we've talked about sensitivity and specificity of screening in the first trimester for Down syndrome. Let's step up one more. Let's talk about screening for HIV. Testing for contagious diseases in the U.S. is done in a variety of ways, and one of the tests we're going to look at here is what's called a rapid screening. That is, it's administered to a lot of people with results that are given out really, really, really quickly. And one of the problems with that is giving out results really, really quickly, in a lot of cases, dulls down the accuracy of the test. So we're going to be looking at a specific test that's given out in a lot of different types of clinics. This is screening, once again, for HIV, and you'll notice that in this problem, we have a couple measures. We're given sensitivity of the test right here, and specificity of the test right here. Now, we're going to go ahead and try and make sense of these, and to do that, we're going to go ahead and rewrite this using our probability notation. We know that sensitivity says, if I have the condition, what are the chances I get a positive? And from this information, I can tell that this specific test has a sensitivity of 95.62%. And so what this is saying is if I go in and I take this test and I have HIV, there's a 95.62% chance that the test is going to come back positive. Specificity says if I don't have the condition, what are the chances I get a negative? And according to our thing here, the specificity of this specific test is 97.12%. One thing to note about this test right away before doing anything else is the fact that specificity here is actually higher than sensitivity. This is kind of backwards from what we'd want with contagious disease screening. That is, normally we want sensitivity to be high. That is, if people have the condition, we want to be really, really sure we're telling them they have it. In this case, specificity is higher, and what that means is that this test is actually doing a little bit of a better job telling people they don't have HIV than telling people that they actually do. Our goal here is to go ahead and figure out, okay, so we got sensitivity and specificity, what does that actually mean? That is, based on these values, how can we figure out how many false positives we have or false negatives we have? And to do that, we're going to go ahead and use this to create a contingency table.